Escape from the hectic pace of life and enter a world of paradise, where every experience is designed to offer you a world of luxury, relaxation, and adventure.
As soon as you step into our grand lobby, you'll be awed by the exquisite decor and grand ambiance. It features elegant guest rooms and suites that are designed to cater to your every need and desire.
Picture yourself lounging by a glistening pool, sipping on a refreshing drink, with the sun warming your skin. You look around to admire your luxurious surroundings, your eyes alight on the breathtaking view of lush greenery. The stress of everyday life fades away as you surrender to the tranquility of our resort.
We pride ourselves on the exquisite food we serve. Our talented chefs use only the finest ingredients, preparing mouth-watering dishes that tantalize your taste buds. From local delicacies to international cuisine, we have something to please every palate.
Our pool is the centerpiece of the resort.
Maybe we can do it slowly. Correct.
It is sparkling clean and the perfect temperature for a refreshing dip on a hot day.
Soak up the sun on one of our comfortable poolside loungers while sipping on a cocktail, or cool off with a refreshing swim.
The pool area is a lively hub for socializing and enjoying the company of fellow guests.
Indulge in our well-appointed rooms, designed to provide you with comfort and style. Our decor is a seamless blend of traditional and modern elements, with plush furnishings and elegant touches that create a soothing atmosphere. The beds are supremely comfortable, guaranteeing you a restful night's sleep.
At Coop Ocean View, we are dedicated to making your stay with us as seamless as possible. Our attentive and friendly staff is always at your service and will ensure an unforgettable experience for you and your loved ones.
Living in this world. Maybe we can do it.
Escape reality and enter a world of paradise.
Only here at Coop Ocean View.
Book your stay today and experience the world-class luxury and relaxation that you deserve.